Going to Jamaica. What you want me to bring for you?
Hey, honey, you going to Jamaica?
What you bring for me?
I need a Jamaican boyfriend.
You want a Jamaican boyfriend?
Yeah, original Jamaican, yeah, man.
Back strong?
Yeah, back strong. I look for one from St. Catherine. One from St. Catherine. Make sure.
St. Catherine?
Yeah, make sure he must have a money too.
Money too?
MONEY. Okay, thank you.
So there's this viral video making its round on the internet in Canada and the Jamaican circle, and it's of this white Canadian woman that she went on a Canadian podcast called Miller TV podcast, and she was asked about Jamaican men, and she dogged out Jamaican men, and from saying that the only thing that Jamaican men want is like their papers and sex, and Jamaican men have nothing to offer and they're good for nothing. And so this has sparked a conversation on social media, and people in Jamaica are going in on this woman. So let's take a look on what she had to say on the Miller TV podcast.
Describe a Jamaican man in relationship, because
this is too deep.
Jamaican man seem to be the most requested men in the world right now. But at the same time, there's a Jamaican man wicked, them lie, them enough to treat a woman.
I don't think we have enough time for this. Oh, I could go on forever. You're talking to the perfect person, though, for it. Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
You all need to do better. You all need to do better. Man, you guys have no clue how to treat a woman. Not a clue. Like, not a clue.
But how is it we are so requested around the world? Every woman want a Jamaican man.
Okay, so you might be requested, but then they get to know it. They get to taste the flavor, and then they're like, me now I want it. You know? So they might want it in the beginning, but then when they get to know it and they realize they're all about the double P, papers and P, because that's if you can't offer them that, then you're no good to them, right? So, yeah, but when you get to see their true colors, true colors, people will always come out. It will always come out.
But foreign woman, like white woman, see all of these events happening when white woman travel to Jamaica, and then the man them at Jamaica take them money and not give them what them want, and or them have them baby mother same way and them tell lies, so them and them baby mother left.
Right.
But woman still going down there.
Yeah.
Even when them see these things happen to demand them.
I know. I don't understand it. These women must be so desperate. It's unreal, because there's black men in my own city, in my own country. So I don't know why women want to blow $2,000-$3,000 on a resort to go look for somebody that can offer you absolutely nothing but sand. That's all they can give you is the sand on the ground. That's it.
Okay, so that was the interview, and this is so laughable because word in the street is that this woman on that podcast, that she's been married several times and all to Jamaican men. As soon as she get divorced, back to Jamaica, another one. And it is so crazy because accountability is something that I find a lot of women like her, refuse to be accountable for their actions, because it is no secret for decades that a lot of women from America, from Canada, from Europe travel to Jamaica. And it's almost like sex tourism, pretty much to what the phenomenon now that they are calling the passport bro, where men from America, in particular black men, are flying to Indonesia, they're flying to Thailand, they're flying to the Philippines to find women there that they believe that they can get better quality women there. A lot of these guys fly out, and a lot of these guys go to those places and they get used. Happens all the time. So the same thing with this thing, and it's been for decades, women flying to Jamaica, and the primary reason why they're flying to Jamaica is because of what they heard about Jamaican men and the sex. So if you fly to Jamaica and you put yourself in that position, I believe that you have to take some accountability, and you get what you pay for. That is my belief. You get what you pay for. And this, as I said, this is no secret. Like, I've been in hospitality business for a long time. As an 18-year-old working in Jamaica in the hospitality, I've came across these women all the time. And I have friends that are bartenders. I've guys that work at other hotels that would marry these women and go to America, go to the Canada or to the UK or anywhere in Europe. And this has been going on for a while. So I don't know. So this woman coming now and saying like, oh, like they're good for nothing. They have nothing to offer and this. And I'm like, you get what you pay for. You know, like guys, when guys go out there and they find these girls that they like gold digger type of girls and they go and the girls just like suck them dry, take all their money. These guys have to be accountable and say, you know what? I know that this girl is out of my league in terms of how she look or whatever. And I have to be accountable because I know that the only reason why she's going to talk to me is because of my money. And you just have to take accountability. So for this woman to come and to say like, look, like all Jamaican men are this and Jamaican men are that, when herself from word in the street is that several different Jamaican men. So this is just, as I said, laughable and very funny. So guys, sound off in the comment section and let me know what are your thoughts about this woman and the backstory that she herself had several Jamaican men that she was with, and apparently she was married quite a few times and all of those guys were Jamaican. Sound off and let me know what you think about this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out. Here at Carib 21, I'm on a mission to showcase the vibrant culture and the breathtaking beauty of the Caribbean while showcasing our culture and what is trending. If you want to support me on this mission, please subscribe. And if you also want to support, you can hit the comment section and buy me a cup of coffee. In order to buy me a cup of coffee, you can follow these instructions. Just click more. You will see the link to buy me a cup of coffee. Click the link. You can purchase 1 or 2 cups of coffee and you'll be helping me to fulfill this mission. Thank you.